In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your G2A promo code. G2A promo codes are important as they offer discounts on purchases, making games and other digital products more affordable for gamers. They can help save money and allow gamers to access a wider variety of content within their budget. To get your G2A discount code, simply head into any browser of your own choice. It can be Safari or any other browser. On the search bar, type in G2A promo code plus the month you're currently in. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Select this website that has 50% off any purchase on G2A. Choose any coupon code of your own choice. The code will get generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to G2A. Don't forget to write your email here so that you don't miss out on exclusive G2A deals. Go to the G2A official website. Under the payment page, make sure to paste in your coupon code. Double check down if your code is activated successfully before making any kind of payment. That's how easy it is to get your G2A promo code every month. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.